It's great to be back in Lismore. One of the things Steve, the Mayor, said to me when I was here on Sunday when we were discussing about next steps, what is the Commonwealth's role, what is the local government's role, what is the state government's role? And there was debate around, are we going to rebuild in this fabulous community? And the Mayor said to me, Lismore loves Lismore. And so I've taken that back to Canberra and to the meetings that I've been in since Sunday about how do we ensure that Lismore that loves Lismore and wants to stay and rebuild a sustainable future here in Lismore is able to do that. And I think the Prime Minister has outlined some ways, some first steps that we're taking as a federal government to provide that certainty to individuals, to households, to businesses, that you have a bright, sustainable future in this region. Not just Lismore, but I do want to give a shout out to Corrakai, to Broadwater, to Woodburn, to Wardell, those smaller outpost communities who are also devastated by this event in the Richmond Valley. We've decided that 3 LGAs are going to be able to access specific and special support, and the Prime Minister has outlined some of those. Didn't matter whether I was in Gympie and Maryborough on Saturday or Lismore here last Sunday, wherever I go in this particular event, mental health is raised time and time again. What we have to remember in many of these communities is the compounding impact of disasters, of drought, of bushfire, of COVID, and now in this community a catastrophic natural disaster. And the impact that has not just on communities' confidence but long-term mental health impacts. I'm particularly excited that we're investing in a Resilient Kids program. This is a program that we know works on the ground with school-aged children. It's for children who are experiencing anxiety, who have autism, to really get that specialist targeted care they need, not just in the immediate aftermath of the event, but in the years that follow it. We know that most of the people impacted at the moment are running on adrenaline. And the till will get open, and the shop front will be furled, and then it'll be bang. The impact will be felt on their mental health. So we are committing for the long term here. I've been tasked, obviously this is the first step in what's going to be a long, long road to recovery. And I'm excited to be part of a government that's going to partner with the New South Wales government around that flood mitigation strategy going forward with the Lismore Council to make sure that primary producers, businesses and householders can invest in confidence. We're going to give you that confidence. I'm going to be working on more of those packages as outlined by the Prime Minister with the New South Wales Government, and I'm confident that we'll be having more to say about that shortly. But PM, that's it for me for now.